I melted silicone oven rack guards in my oven during self-cleaning. The oven looks terrible with white dust everywhere. Is it safe to use and how do I get rid of the ash?
What's the make and model of your oven? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Frigidaire gallery and it is brand new.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, just concerned if it is safe and should I try to clean it again. It has a steam clean function, but I need to read the manual to see how that works.
It is safe to clean it again. After the cleaning and when the oven has cooled, you can remove the dust with a damp rag or sponge. Wipe the racks with a rag, dampen a little bit of cooking oil. Not much. Then wipe the racks with a clean dry cloth until they not feel oily anymore. When everything looks good, preheat the oven to about 500 degrees. It may smoke just a bit. When 500 is reached, turn the oven off and let cool. If all the dust is gone, the oven is safe and ready to use. If there is still dust remaining, use the damp with water cloth to remove it. Then a little bit of cooking oil on rag. Then repeat the reheat process described above. The oven should now be clean and safe to use.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. It should clean up okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.